Hello guys, if you are new here, please kindly subscribe. And I'm doing this video to actually tell you guys that if you want to monetize your website, don't use Propeller ad to monetize your website. As you can see, monetize your traffic. Don't use them. A lot of people are promoting them because of their they are doing affiliate marketing. So they are promoting them. A lot of videos promoting this. But let me tell you, if you use their ad on your website, Google is going to ban you. I am making this video to inform you guys. But if you want to drive traffic to your website, this might be the best option for you. But don't use them to monetize your website. And I will make a proper video because I already have account with them, and I will show you the result, the outcome of it, what happened when I monetize it with Propeller ad. So share this video and subscribe so you get notification when I upload this video. You will see the reason why I say that you should not use it. Thank you for watching. Kindly